have no idea what's going to happen. People are busy preparing, or I think taking out the things. I don't know. It's 12:46 in the morning, Sunday, and as usual we are not as usual, for the second time around we are in Panathinaik Stadium, here, the official museum shop. Take back home 2005 years of history. Or maybe there was a performance or event that had just taken place, or that had just been finished. It's almost 1 in the morning. So maybe these people are collecting the things that they used. Or are ready for the next event for tomorrow or for today, maybe Sunday night, or just finished. Here is the museum shop. There is another there for the ticket booth over there. The Olympic flag and Greek flag. We are not allowed to go closer, seen by these ropes or line that encloses the vicinity of the stadium, because work is in progress. There. So promotion for Robbie Williams concert on the 15th of October. I am not connected to Robbie Williams, but I'm just an avid fan of him through his songs Angels and Feel. I just wanna feel. Okay, so I think this is it. My sister is watching. Okay, ate, I will be taking care of myself. It's 12:49 in the morning, and the people are still busy. They're still awake, alive and alive, as you can see around. The weather is nice, it's breezy, and it's cool. Although at daytime, it's very humid and very warm. There is the moon in full. The Olympic symbol, the 5 rings, is there. So bye-bye for now. I'm once again Nilo, Galot Galo on Facebook, and also known as Kakang Nels. That's my name on YouTube. So hit me up there by watching my videos, long and short ones, and maybe you could write down comments, whatever it is, so will be read or will be appreciated by me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.